And Chapter 2 in our cognitive psychology textbook is titled Sensation and Perception. The chapter covers how our senses work and how our brain interprets information. One thing that I found very interesting was the figure ground segmentation process. This was where the book showed a picture created of black and gray. The gray portion portrayed the image of a vase, and the black portion portrayed two faces looking at each other. Dependent upon what you focused on, either the black or the gray, determined what you would see in the picture. Well, what is interesting about this is that you cannot perceive both the faces and the vase at the same time. It's either one or the other. I found this interesting because in reality, we could easily look at both a face and a vase and perceive both simultaneously. So why can't we do this with a picture? Your brain immediately focuses and sees whatever is familiar to you, which is why some people may report seeing the two faces while others report seeing the vase. Once you know that both are present, you can switch between the one that you see very easily and very quickly, but you still cannot see both at the same time. Depending on the picture, what someone sees in a photo like this could tell you a lot about their life and what their brain is used to perceiving. I also enjoyed the section on locating sounds in the environment. A while back, I learned that the reason dogs will cock their head from side to side, often appearing really cute and adorably confused, is because they're trying to determine where a sound is coming from. As humans, we kind of do the same thing, only instead of tilting our heads back and forth, we typically turn and face where we think the sound is coming from. It was interesting to see the charts on how we perceive sounds from various areas and determine their sources based on how they hit our ears. It's amazing how all of our senses work together, and how removing one sense can hinder another. A couple weeks ago, my husband told me to stretch my arm out to the side and then bring it toward my face and touch the tip of my nose with my pointer finger. Obviously, I could do this pretty easily, but then he told me to do the same thing but with my eyes closed. Embarrassingly, my finger actually missed the tip of my nose by just a little bit. I was kind of astonished as to how could I not know where my nose was? It's funny to think about how our bodies work together and how we need our smell in order to properly taste foods and our eyes in order to correctly judge where something is, even if that something is actually located on our bodies. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching.